How to add font in KineMaster. Adding font in KineMaster is one of the easy process, and it's super easy to give you the informations under your picture and images. To do it, simply tap on layer and tap on text. Now once you tap it, you can adjust its position like this. Now tap on font. From here, you can choose from your custom font, or you can choose from the system. Let me choose from system. Okay, this one. Once you choose it, tap on the stick, and that's it. You have just added font in KineMaster. Super easy and simple. You can change its color from here like this, and you can do further edits from here. If you want to do further edits and you don't know how to do it, you can watch my other videos on the topic. Thank you for watching. See you again in the next video.